Alright, welcome back to One Sexy Tesla. In this video, so in the prior video that I uploaded, it was in regards to giving a little preview, that I had seen that there was a software update available. So we are installing this update here in my 2020 Tesla Model 3 standard range. As we can see here, the update is updating to 2021.32.22, and it seems here that the Tesla's rebooting now. I wanted to actually get it right as it was updating for the final update, so y'all guys can see exactly what that looks like if you haven't seen that before. If you are a current Tesla owner, then you've seen it before many times during software updates. All right. So any minute now, it should be turning back on. Looks like it's rebooting right now, so any minute now it should be turning back on, and we'll check out what's new. I'm actually quite excited to see exactly what's new. And most of all, it's probably the fact that I'm quite excited to be enrolled in the developer beta program, which is going to be absolutely epic for that FSD. FSD is definitely a very unique piece of software and machinery and hardware for Teslas. It allows the full self-driving, lane changes, summoning your car, on and off exiting ramp, and it brings many cool features. And the fact that in the beta, as you've probably seen, or maybe you haven't seen it, all over YouTube, it's been absolutely insane. Teslas have come so far in their future. Oh, looks like we got a reboot. All right. There we go. I'm trying to focus my main screen back in here. There's a car up there that's bright lights are going to really interfere my screen here. So we have here. Go ahead and turn my parking up. My parking lights are already on. All right. So let's go down here to software. Oh, straight glitch. All right. There we go. So new feature in regards to, there we go. The release notes. We have down here, request full self-driving beta. You can now request early access to full self-driving beta pending eligibility. To get started, tap Controls, Autopilot, request full self-driving beta, and follow the instructions. All right. So we need to go down here to Controls, Autopilot. Let's go ahead and exit out of here. There we go. So Controls, Autopilot. There we go. There, listed right up on the top. All right. So let's go ahead and request full self-driving beta. Limited early access full self-driving beta. So this isn't even the full self-driving beta. I'm apparently into limited early access. That's something. Getting focus here. Thank you for your interest in limited early access full self-driving beta. Once you accept the terms below, the Tesla team will analyze your vehicle driving data and safety score to determine eligibility. You can view your safety score from the Tesla app at any time, version 4.1.0 or nearer. If eligible, you will receive a software update as part of the limited early access. Okay. So first check mark here is I consent to the collection and review of ongoing VIN-associated vehicle driving data while enrolled. Select. Number 2, I understand that when using FSD Beta, I am responsible for remaining alert with my hands on the wheel and must be prepared to take action at any time. FSD Beta does not make my car autonomous or fully autonomous. Select. And last and final, number 3, I understand that FSD Beta can be revoked at any time and completely stripped from me. Let's make sure that doesn't happen. Check number 3. And we'll go ahead and accept it. And it says you are enrolled into full self-driving beta queue.